Welcome to Phu Quoc Island, a tropical paradise with some of the most stunning beaches in Vietnam. Let's dive into the best beaches in Phu Quoc and what makes each one unique. 1. Sao Beach, Bai Sao. Sao Beach is one of the most famous beaches on the island, and for good reason. With its soft white sands and turquoise waters, it's a postcard-perfect spot for swimming, relaxing, or taking incredible photos. 2. Chem Beach, Bai Khem. This hidden gem offers pristine beauty and a tranquil atmosphere. Known for its calm waters and fine white sand, Chem Beach is ideal for those looking for a peaceful escape. 3. Long Beach, Bai Truong. Stretching for miles, Long Beach is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a fun day at the beach. It's also one of the best spots on the island to catch a stunning sunset. 4. Vung Bau Beach, Bai Vung Bau. If you're looking for a quieter, more secluded beach, Vung Bau is the place to go. Its golden sands and clear waters are perfect for kayaking, snorkeling, or simply unwinding in nature. 5. Bai Dai Beach, Bai Dai. Famous for its golden sands and calm, inviting waters, Bai Dai Beach is close to some of the island's luxury resorts. It's a great spot for families or anyone seeking a comfortable beach experience. 6. Sunworld Hon Thom Beach, Bai Tam Sunworld. Located near the famous Hon Thom cable car, this family-friendly beach features crystal-clear waters and a lively atmosphere. It's perfect for water activities and a fun day out. 7. Sunset Town Beach, Bai Bien Thi Tran Hoang Hon. As the name suggests, this beach is the ultimate spot for watching breathtaking sunsets. With its lively surroundings and vibrant colors, it's a favorite for evening relaxation and photography. Phu Quoc truly has a beach for every kind of traveler, whether you're looking for tranquility, adventure, or unforgettable views. Which of these beaches would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aussie Traveller for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.